Hello friends, now we are going to talk on analysis of vitamins. Let us go to points. First, the introduction of vitamins. It is the organic compounds which are required in small amount to perform specific biological functions for normal maintenance of optimum growth and health of organism. The classification of vitamins are divided into two types. The one type is the fat soluble vitamins. Another type is water soluble vitamins. In fat soluble vitamins, there are four types of vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. In water soluble vitamins like vitamin C, vitamin B complex, and vitamin H. The vitamin A, vitamin D, thiamine, niacin, and vitamin C. The need for the study of vitamins, the essential nutritional factors, and to potent organic compounds, which require a great care in analytical control and their formulations. The analytical procedure mostly based on the chemical properties of vitamins, physical properties of vitamins, biological activity, microbiological methods. These are used in the analysis of vitamins. The method of analysis of vitamins and its formulation, it should be based on the biological response. Chemical, physical, microbiological methods are only valid if they correlate directly or indirectly with biological activity. Vitamins exhibits specificity in that they are required in the certain species of animals and not in others. The chemistry of vitamin A, that is the functional group in the vitamins like alcoholic group, aldehydic group, acidic group, and beta carotene. The alcoholic group is known as a retinol. The aldehydic form of the group is known as a retinal, and acidic group is known as a retinoic acid. The typicity of vitamin A is the night blindness, xerothalmia, keratomalcia, which are effect on the reproduction and epithelial cells. The properties of vitamin A is easily oxidized in the atmospheric oxygen, or it acts as a oxidizing agent. It is very sensitive to light, and these are occur in nature, mean in the form of esters, which are considerably stable towards the oxidation. First, the analysis of extraction of vitamin A. Before the analysis of vitamin A or estimation of vitamin A, the extraction procedure is very important. Like To weigh about 5 to 10 gram of previously crushed fine powder of food substance into a 1 liter round bottom flask. Then you can add 20 ml of 50% sodium hydroxide solution and warm the mixture in water bath. Then add 100 ml of diethyl alcohol, 2 ml of hydroquinone solution that was obtained by dissolving 20 gram in 100 ml of pure alcohol, and they maintain the water bath at about 90 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Pour the content of the round bottle flask into decanting means transfer of the solution into round bottom flask. Then add 100 ml of water. Add 50 ml of ethylic ether and shake well. That is the diethyl ether. Add into the round in the solution. Then add 50 ml of petroleum ether. Then shake and allow it to decant. In this process, two layers form. One is the organic layer, another is the aqueous layer, that is the water layer. And most of the vitamin C is soluble in the petroleum ether or diethyl ether. And these extracts once or twice with 50 ml of petrol ether. Wash the ether phase 3 times with 100 ml of water and filter, evaporate and concentrate until 1 ml is obtained. That means the weight of substance or foods up to 5 to 10 gram, you will get the 1 ml of vitamin A. Then the estimation is important. How much quantity is obtained in the foods, and therefore there are 3 types of methods for the estimation of vitamin A. The first method is the bioassay. It is mostly based on the rat or chicken growth or analysis in the liver storage. Second method is colorimetric method, that is developed by the Carr Price method. And third method is EV spectrophotometric method. The colorimetric method for the analysis of vitamin C, the procedure is how much chemical is required, what type of chemical is required for the analysis of vitamin C. That is anhydrous antimony trichloride in the form of chloroform, which reacts with dilute solution of vitamin A to form a transient blue color. And these reactions occurs between antimony trichloride and unsaturated side chain of vitamin A, that is beta carotene. The beta carotene polyene acids and various other material present in natural oils produce a same color. The color of antimony trichloride with vitamin A is rapidly reaches maximum intensity. That means the color is obtained at a maximum intensity. But this color does not exist. It rapidly fades to color, that means to disappear the color, and therefore the reading must be taken within 10 to 15 seconds. This reaction between the vitamin A and antimony trichloride then to form a blue color of the vitamin A and antimony trichloride complex at lambda max 550 nanometer. This is the very simple method for the analysis of vitamin A, the colorimetric method, and therefore the disadvantages of vitamin A is a racemic mixture containing 1/4 of cis form and 1/3 of trans form in the oils, and therefore the racemic mixture cannot be estimated by using colorimetric method. Only vitamin A is estimated, but it cannot stereochemistry of the vitamins A. The stereo means cis form and trans form of the vitamin A. This is the disadvantages of vitamin A complex, and therefore the cross price reaction does not differentiate between the two isomers, so it is not a specific test for all trans compounds. It does not give a stable blue color. Next point is the applications of this test can be used identification test for vitamin A. You can easily analyze or identify the vitamin A in the given compound by using the antimony trichloride. The blue color method can be used in determining the vitamin A in agricultural feeds or in oligomargarines. The method is extensively used